As AI continues to shape our workplace, it's essential for us to develop a set of skills that complement this technology. Let's explore the skills that will empower us to thrive in the age of AI.
First and foremost, adaptability. The ability to adapt to new technologies, workflows, and changing roles is crucial. Embrace AI as a tool and be open to learning new skills to stay relevant in the evolving workplace. Next, collaboration and emotional intelligence. While AI enhances productivity, the human touch remains invaluable. Strengthen your interpersonal skills, empathy, and teamwork abilities to effectively collaborate with AI systems and colleagues. Critical thinking and problem solving are also paramount. AI may provide insights, but it's up to us to analyze and interpret the data, identify patterns, and find innovative solutions to complex challenges. Never stop learning. Develop a growth mindset and invest in continuous learning to keep pace with AI advancements. Nurture your creativity, as it is the fuel for innovation that AI cannot replicate. Lastly, ethical decision-making. As AI becomes more integrated, understanding the ethical implications and making responsible choices are vital. Consider the impact of AI on society, privacy, and fairness when implementing and using AI systems.
By cultivating adaptability, collaboration, critical thinking, continuous learning, creativity, and ethical decision-making, we can navigate the age of AI with confidence. Let's embrace these skills and unlock our full potential in this exciting era of technological advancement.